To connect Harman Kardon Go Plus Play Free into your TV, first of all, on your TV, you have to just enter for the settings. So in most cases, you can find the gear icon on your remote controller, and you have to open all the settings. This is actually how it looks on my LG TV. And now you have to search for sound effects or into the connection. In my case, I have to go for the sound effects, and here I can find that option for sound out, and I can switch into the Bluetooth, as you can see. So now let's go to the speaker and let me show you how we can enter for the pairing mode. So on the speaker, you have to just make sure that you turn it on. You can check this when you take a look on this LED indicator. It will light up, and you have to just click on this Bluetooth button once. So this button will turn into the blue color, and also the speaker will make that beeping sound. So now on your TV, you have to enter for Bluetooth list to find all available devices and go for the search. As you can see, in my case, I can find two of them, the HK Go Plus Play Free and my camera. Of course, I'm picking the speaker. So we just have to click on it with our remote controller and we have to wait for request. Okay, in this case, I don't have any pairing request because I already was connected here. But in the most cases, you will have to just click OK button on your remote controller to confirm.